Hey guys, and welcome to my apartment tour. I'm in ALT with Jet in the countryside, so my rent's pretty cheap, but the building's also kind of old. But I am fortunate enough to live in a teacher's housing apartment, so that means subsidized rent. So it's super cheap, so I'll go over all of the numbers at the end of the video, and we'll start from the Genkan. All right, so here's the entrance, the Genkan area for my apartment. On the left, we have a little table. On the right, my shoes, mat, broom, umbrella, fun. So coming straight in from the Genkan, we have a wall, and we have another path that goes to my main area. But for now, on the right, we have a cute calendar from my preschool. And right here, we have my junk bookshelf full of cleaning things and things I don't use often. And right in here is my toilet. It's super small and I can barely fit. I don't know if anyone much taller than me could fit in here. My one source of light, and that's the bathroom. It's nothing fancy, it's just a normal toilet. So then coming back out of the bathroom, there's a little sign. It was made for me. So cute. And then we'll go this way. So right here we have my sink. On the right on the floor is a little heater. On the left is where all my toiletries are. Mirror. And then over here is the laundry stuff. My washing machine. Laundry baskets, more cleaning stuff. And here's my makeup, my towels, and laundry nets and stuff. In the winter, I usually hang things from this. Just a few things, like my underwear or socks or something. And then right here is the bathroom. I have a deep bathtub, super nice, little towel rack. And here's the shower. My shampoo's on the floor, my little bench. I love it. I think it's a really good size bathroom, and it's pretty good. It's not falling apart, to the best of my knowledge, yet. So then we're coming back out, going into the main room here, and this is where I live. But for now, we'll go to the right, straight into my kitchen. So I have a rice cooker here, electric teapot, oranges, bunch of storage I am totally underutilizing, my pantry, all food. Here's some storage for plates and stuff. My dish rack dryer thing. My nice big sink, I love it. My seasonings and stuff. Here's my stove. And here's the water heater. I can heat my water here in the kitchen sink and in the bathroom, but not the bathroom sink, so that's cold year round, which sucks right now. Apron. Here's a microwave oven. My bento stuff. And then my refrigerator here. Let's see. Freezer's kind of full of random stuff I don't eat. And the fridge, I actually eat it all. It's pretty good. Here's my garbage. This is my combustibles, pet bottles, glass and cans down there. And then right there is my garbage schedule. So this is the rest of the apartment. As you can see, it's not that big. I think it's a 1K, maybe. Here's another mirror. Yay. Poster. My desk, which is always messy, no matter what time of year it is. This is my school backpack. Just a little thank you thing from my third graders, so cute. And here's my giant couch, which is way too big for the apartment, but was here when I got here. My kotatsu, which is a lifesaver. I love this egg thing. And here's my TV. I have a Switch right now. I want to get a PS4. That's a heater right here. And my air conditioning's up here. I don't have an oil heater, even though I should have one, because I don't want to spend the money on it. And then out here I'm hanging my clothes, because it's actually nice out today. So beyond that, it's just a little garden from an old lady and houses. And mountains in the back. And then coming back over here, we have a bookshelf, a bunch of stuff, Pokemon, Sakura, window, here's my bed, humidifier, electric blanket, all that good stuff for the winter. More Sakura. Here's my clothing rack for jackets and Shelly May. And this is my closet. It's pretty good size. The top is just all things I don't use often, like an air mattress and stuff. And this side is for my hanging clothes. It's not that big of a space. And then in here, I have done this to it. Kind of a mess, but it works. And I don't have much other space to put it, so got some stickers down there and a random curtain, which I guess is just to separate the space, but I've never used it once. Alright guys, thanks for watching. That was my apartment. So now I'm just gonna go over some quick numbers for the place. Because it's a teacher subsidized apartment run by the BOE, it's super cheap. And I only pay about $160 US a month to live here, which is awesome. My water bill every month so far has been exactly 3,000 yen. So that must be some sort of plan I'm unaware of. My electric bill varies greatly on the month. Right now it's about 7,000 yen a month, which is about $65 US dollars. But in the off months, in spring and fall, it's super cheap, maybe 30 bucks a month. And my gas right now is also really expensive. It is 6,000 yen this month. And in the summer months, it is maybe 3,000 yen, a lot cheaper. And after that, I have my internet, which is really old, and I'm in the process of switching it over right now, but I pay 5,500 yen a month for that. Then every other month I also have to pay an extra 3,000 yen for a phone line. Alright, so that about does it for the apartment tour. Please let me know if you have any questions about it or you want to see more. Really, I think it's a pretty cheap place for the quality. Of course, there are cheaper places and bigger places, but this is good enough for me. And cheaper doesn't always mean better. This place in itself is pretty old, and even if you can't tell in the video, there are a lot of stains and dirt things that will never come out because it's been way too long. But I think it's a really great place all in all, and I like living here. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!